Alright guys, we're back with step 30, and as you can see here, we need this piece here that we finished off earlier with this part, and this piece here that was also put together earlier. We also need a 19mm screw with this funny looking piece that's round, and this one, and we need one more piece that's round. That's this metal piece that you see right there, and it's going to go through this black piece first and then into this part here. Now if Julia would actually help, can you hold this piece in this position for me?
Sure.
Alright, so as you can see here, what's going to happen is we are going to have the main screw go through this part, and then you need to put it in the correct order, which will be this one, then the black one, and then the nut. Anyway, we'll set that up, and then we'll see you in the next video.